Sawadika. Hello everyone. Welcome to learning how to combine Thai words with Thai Kids Academy. Today I have a Thai idiom to share to you, but let's take a look at each word first. The first one is see. In Thai we say เห็น and the second one is wrong. In Thai we say ผิด and next one is to be. In Thai we say เป็น and the last one is like. In Thai we say ชอบ but if we combine it together we will got เห็นผิดเป็นชอบ เห็นผิดเป็นชอบ which means when you see something and you think it's good but actually it's bad. So in Thai we say เห็นผิดเป็นชอบ is a Thai idiom. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in our fact card, please contact our school. Bye bye.